how to enable or disable full screen mode on the Chrome web browser. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can enable and disable the full screen mode on Chrome web browser. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, I will tell you the shortcut key in order to enable the full screen mode on Google Chrome. Here I have already opened up the Chrome browser. Now in order to enable the full screen mode, all you have to do is press F11 keys in your keyboard. And there you go, I have enabled the full screen mode. If you want to disable it, all you have to do is again press F11 and there you go, it is now disabled. Now another way is to head towards the top right corner and click on this three dot. Here next to zoom there is this icon. If you hover your mouse over there, it says full screen, click on it, and now the full screen mode is again enabled. So to disable it, again press F11 key and there you go, it is now disabled. So this is how you can enable or disable full screen mode on Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.